Hi, fellow PPMS member. How are you guys doing here? I miss you guys so much. Do you guys miss me or not? Yeah, I want to actually thank all of you guys and express my sincere gratitude for actually completing 29th season of the Purposeful Parenting Masterclass series via Zoom as well. It is my honor today to actually tell all of you guys we have now actually moved our PPMS shows and all our secret series into live in our office in Faber Towers, Taman Desa. This is where our future college is going to be. I want to invite all of you guys in the official launch on secret number 11 for all of you guys. Yes, most of you guys have not heard of secret number 11 in the Purposeful Parenting Masterclass series, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on August the 19th at 1 p.m. Guys, remember this again, August the 19th at 1 p.m. in this particular office where our future college is going to be. Now, in secret number 11, ladies and gentlemen, I will be teaching you guys how to build a great internal moral compass of your children. If any one of you guys are struggling that you feel that the internal moral compass of your children is somewhat in a compromising position, this will be an event for you guys to learn how to build a good internal moral compass with them. So guys, don't miss out the show on August the 19th. I will see you guys there at 1 p.m.